wakes with the sunrise, coffee on the stove, bare feet on the front porch, watching the wind blow. Old jeans and her flannel, and hair tied in a braid. She's got dust on her boots, but her dreams never fade. She's a country girl, wild and free, with a heart as wide as the old oak tree. Knows where she's going, but she loves to ride with the stars above and the moon as her guide. She don't need diamonds, she don't wear pearls. She's a firelight soul, a country girl.
She hums to the radio, driving down that lane, past the cornfields golden after last night's rain. A letter in her pocket, dreams in her soul. She don't stay still, but she always belongs.
She's a country girl, bold and kind, leaves no one broken, no heart behind. Carries her roots like a sweet refrain. In a world that moves, she remains the same. She don't need riches or city swirls, just a sunlit path. She's a country girl. Maybe one day she'll settle down slow on a little green farm where wildflowers grow. But for now she's riding the winds that call, chasing the echoes of midnight's drawl. She's a country girl, so deep. She plants her love where the willows weep. She's got the sky and the open world, can't fence the heart of a country girl.
Neon signs hum a hazy tune. Dust motes dancing in the moon. Empty bar stool, whiskey neat. Another heartbreak, bittersweet. She's gone, left nothing but a ghost. A memory that I love the most. And the jukebox whispers low and deep, a melody to soothe my sleep. Hank's still singing about lost loves and wine, a soundtrack to this pain of mine. As she climbs voice, a gentle hand pulling me back to solid land. No need to change the mournful tune. This honky-tonk's my silver moon. Let the old songs play on through, till this aching heart feels brand new. Remember dancing close and slow beneath the dim and gentle glow. Her laughter echoes in my head, a ghost of joy, now almost dead. The jukebox plays a memory of simpler times, was wild and free. A tear rolls down, I don't wipe it away. Just let the music lead the way. Hank's still singing about lost loves and wine, as a soundtrack to this pain of mine. Patsy Cline's voice, a gentle hand pulling me back to solid land. No need to change, no need to change the mournful tune. This honky-tonk's my silver moon. Let the old songs play on through, till this aching heart feels brand new. Yeah, let the old songs play on through, till this aching heart feels brand new. The jukebox hums a lullaby beneath the star-filled peaceful sky. Sky painted like a postcard scene, fields of gold and shades of green. Got my girl in the shotgun seat, barefoot dancing to the beat. The world feels big, but it's all just right out here in the open tonight. It's country wide open, nowhere to hide, chasing the sun on a freeborn ride. Every mile's got a story to tell, living life like a rebel, yeah, with the wind at our backs, hearts unbroken, feeling alive, country wide open. Bonfire crackling by the lake, tailgate jumping with the bass. Stars above like diamonds bright, shining down on this kind of life. We ain't got no fancy things, just guitars and tire swings. But you don't need much to feel this free, with dirt on your boots and good company. It's country wide open, nowhere to hide. Chasing the sun on a freeborn ride. Every mile's got a story to tell, living life like a rebel yell. With the wind at our backs, hearts unbroken, feeling alive, country wide open. Ain't about where you go, it's where you've been. These back roads lead you home again. The simple life is the sweetest tune underneath the harvest moon. It's country wide open, nowhere to hide. Chasing the sun on a freeborn ride. Every mile's got a story to tell, living life like a rebel, yeah. With the wind at our backs, hearts unbroken, feeling alive, country wide open. Let that sky stretch far and high. We'll keep running till the day we die. Yeah, the good life's calling, just hoping we stay forever, country wide open.
Sunrise peeks through the pine trees, coffee brewing, birds in harmony, barefoot steps on dewy grass. In this country life, nothing moves too fast. Old porch swing creaking in the breeze, sweet tea kisses, hearts at ease. Laughter echoes down the dirt road. In this simple life, love's the code. Fields of gold beneath the sky, chasing dreams as clouds drift by. Hands entwined, souls set free. In the country, just you and me. No city lights, no traffic jams, just fireflies and slow dance jams. Every star tells our story in this rural territory. It's a good life in the country, where hearts are light and spirits run free. Simple joys and endless skies. Love grows where the eagle flies. In the country, life's a melody, singing sweet in you and me. Morning walks through fields anew, nature's canvas, every hue. Whispers of the wind so kind, peace and love are easy to find. Harvest moons and midnight tunes, dancing shadows, lovers' swoons. Crickets serenade the night. Everything here feels just right. No deadlines, no buzzing phones, just the rhythm of our own tones. Every breeze sings our song in this place where we belong. It's a good life in the country, where hearts are light and spirits run free. Simple joys and endless skies. Love grows where the eagle flies. In the country, life's find heaven in this place. Under stars our dreams take flight. In the country every night's bright. It's a good life in the country, where hearts are light and spirits run free. Simple joys and endless skies. Love grows where the eagle flies. In the country life's a melody, singing sweet in you and me.
Out by the river where the fireflies dance, she looked at me like I was her last chance. Moonlight on her skin, bare feet in the grass. Time slowed down, we let the moment pass. She don't need nothing fancy, no champagne glass, just a pickup truck and a love that lasts. 'Cause country girls make love like the rain in July. Soft when it starts, then it pours from the sky. They hold you close with a whisper and fire. Every kiss burns with old desire. They don't just touch, they feel it deep. Country girls make love like a heart that keeps. She ain't afraid to show what's real inside. Tears in her eyes, but her back is wide. She knows the rhythm of the night and day. She'll love you strong and she'll never stray. She won't say much, but when she does, it shakes your soul and wakes your blood. Yeah, country girls make love like the wind through the pines. You don't see it coming, but it chills your spine. They pull you in with a look so true, like they were born just to ruin you. They don't pretend, they don't give up. Country girls make love like they mean enough. She ain't no storybook, she's real and raw. She'll kiss your scars and love your flaws. And when she's yours, boy, hold on tight. You'll never forget that kind of night. 'Cause country girls make love like a slow, sweet song. Right when it's good, it lasts all night long. They don't just kiss, they carve it in with a memory you'll feel again and again. Yeah, truth be told, when push comes to shove, country girls make love like the realest love.
Out on the range where the tall grass sways, the sun sinks low, paints the end of my day. The saddle's worn, my boots are dust stained, but my heart rides home to you again. Your laugh's like a creek in the summer's heat. Your touch is soft as the earth beneath my feet. Miles of prairie can't keep me away from the girl on the ranch who steals my days. Oh, prairie hearts beat wild and true. Beneath the stars I dream of you. Though the cowboy's life is rough and wide, your love's my home, my steady guide. cattle call and the coyotes cry under a blanket of a moonlit sky. I long for the warmth of your sweet embrace, the fire in your eyes, the smile on your face. The harmonica hums a lonely tune under the spell of the prairie moon, but the fiddle sings when I think of you, and the guitar strums my love so true. Oh, prairie hearts beat wild and true. Beneath the stars I dream of you. Though the cowboy's life is rough and wide, your love's my home, my steady guide.
I left a note on your windowsill. It said nothing, but it said it still. The stars